In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Typeform with WordPress. This will enable you to seamlessly integrate your Typeform forms into your WordPress website, enhancing the interactivity and engagement of your site with intuitive and stylish forms. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, we need to start by navigating to your Typeform account. Once you're logged in, head over to the Workspaces section where you can see all your created forms neatly organized. This section acts as the command center for all your forms, allowing you to manage and select the specific forms you wish to integrate with external platforms like WordPress. Once you're in your Workspaces, it's time to select the form you want to integrate into your WordPress site. Simply click on the form and it will open up the options specific to that particular type form. This form should be the one you consider most beneficial or relevant for your website audience, whether it's a contact information form, a feedback survey, or even a fun quiz. After selecting your form, the next action is to click on the Share button. This button is typically located at the top right corner of the page, allowing you to share the form in various ways. Click it, and a window or sidebar will open with different options to distribute your form. Focus now on the integration options under Embed in Web Page. This is the key to putting your form directly into your website. Once you click this option, you'll see several ways you can embed the Typeform on your web page, such as a full page, a slider, or a pop-up. Choose the option that best aligns with your website's design and purpose. You'll now see an option labeled Start Embedding. Clicking this button will generate the Typeform embed code necessary for the integration with WordPress. It's a simple, streamlined way to ensure your form is presented exactly as intended on your site. Now, all you have to do is copy this code. Be careful to ensure the entire code is captured, as any missing part might lead to incorrect functionality on your website. With the code copied, head over to your WordPress site and open the editor where you wish to place the form. Inside the WordPress editor, you'll want to add a new block where you want your form to appear. For this, you'll choose a custom HTML block. This block is what allows you to enter the raw HTML code that Typeform provided. Once you've added this block, go ahead and paste your copied code into the provided box. Finally, make sure everything is set and save your changes by clicking Save. This step finalizes the embedding process, and it's always a good idea to preview your page to ensure everything appears as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Typeform with WordPress, enhancing your website with dynamic and interactive user engagement tools.